In this video, I am going to talk about Google Jamboard. You can take your long-distance learning to the next level with the Google Jamboard. It's essentially a giant digital whiteboard that can be used by any teacher for any subject, making it a great tool for schools to use right across the board. To use Jamboard, just follow these steps to get started. Just go to jamboard.google.com. You can also find it by clicking these buttons and hovering over More. Or you can download Jamboard for your mobile devices. Once on the landing page, a user is able to create a jam, where they are able to draw, create shapes, lines, and add text. The user can also choose between 4 pen types and 6 colors. You can also add title or rename your jam. There are also tools provided to erase and move objects, as well as create digital sticky notes. As an educator, you can use your creativity when designing the board, including managing the settings or even change of background. Jamboard can enhance classroom participation, and these are the 10 ideas how to use Jamboard in class.